cool. Yay! A squishy three-pointer. We can't use them anymore anyway. You are going to the basket right now. What else is left here? Let's see. Oh, Sammy. Sorry.
Wrong way. Gotcha, Sue. I knew someone was throwing my toys away.
You got that wrong. I would never do that.
I'm gonna get rid of your stuff. You've got way too many hairpins.
Sammy, please. I was just collecting materials for our new craft. I promise.
We'll see. The greatest slime detective is already on this case. Yes! I am going to call Susie's bluff. I wonder what is she doing back there. Ooh!
This little guy has only one horn left. Let's get rid of it.
Leave him alone, or I will start throwing away your beauty products. Whoopsie!
Sammy, I want to get rid of the horn, not the squishy.
You could have said that right away. Come here, buddy.
What do you mean?
I have a perfect idea, Susan. Check it out. Oh, it's a whole new kind.
Now let's make him a horn out of this.
Are you kidding me? You want to make a horn again? Oh,
I just want to turn him into a unicorn. And now I'll show you how to do that. Watch my hands.
I love all the unicorns in the world. Now our unicorn needs to take a special bath.
Why don't we dip you into this bowl?
Leave me alone. I don't want to lose my unique pink color. Ugh.
Lose color? But why? What's in here? Aha! It's paint! Our unicorn is not a slime, so he is not afraid of paint. Dive in. Awesome! And we are moving on.
I'll pick the perfect color in the best traditions of Tibidabo. This color doesn't fit. What should I choose? Hey, get your hands off. Grandmaster is working here.
Hey, you've got a call from the Slime Artist Society.
I'm here! I'm coming! Sick Slime Sam is here! Oh, he looks just like me.
While Sammy enjoys watching himself, I have enough time to paint. Sammy, are you going to help me?
What?
I guess someone had too much screen time.
Awesome. Oh, yeah! Oh, my Feta! How brilliant I am. I'm a genius. No, I'm the king of geniuses.
I never doubted that. But check this out. The face is almost ready. Look how cool it turns out. And I have an idea about glitter.
Oh, let me deal with it myself, please. Beware and behold. Wait a sec. I will cover everything with glitter here.
Sammy, you covered me, but not the squishy. Come on.
Hello, miss. I saw that some kind of magician did that to you, not Sam. Oopsie. Alright, I'm sorry that my glitter got onto you, but look how pretty this little fella turned out. So cool.
Cut it out.
No, my little unicorn never stops. Yay! I'm so cool. This is it. Ugh. Whew, I'm exhausted. It was one wild unicorn ride.
Oh, poor thing. Have some rest, and we'll keep crafting. We're back. It's time to give the squishy piggy a new life.
I'm not sure I'd be happy if you did that to me.
These ears won't do.
Why is that? Hey, I'm not a pig, and I don't need these.
Sammy, I was just joking. We'll need these ears for the new squishy. Let's work up the nose a bit and make everything look neat.
Look at me. I'm so scary.
I am terrified. Now you and our piggy are a perfect match.
No way! I know who will be scared by this. Roger, I'm gonna find him.
Yes, Roger will be delighted. Now we're talking.
Sue, if Roger asks, you didn't see me. I'm in disguise. Bye.
Where's that little prankster?
Do you mean Sammy? I didn't see him. I was just leaving.
Okay, whatever. Next time I'll get him for sure. Bye, Sue.
I wonder why did he get so angry? This way he looks better than ever.
No comments, Sammy. Better focus on our squishy.
Sue, I changed my disguise. Roger will never find me here.
You look like a hamster, or like our squishy.
Why, thank you, Susie. I was hiding here, actually.
Hey, Sammy.
What?
Come back and help me with our craft?
No way! I will not accept this kind of attitude. I won't leave it like that. And I won't help.
Okay, I'm sorry. Slimes can be so overdramatic from time to time.
fear gets me, I will just leave. So long. Whoopsie!
Hello, I love big hugs.
Huh?
Sammy, come on. I know you love hugs too.
Fine, I forgive you. Oh, this squishy you've made by yourself is way too cute to stay angry.
That's better.
Let's go, I have so much to show you. Sue, don't proceed without me.
It's time for a snack. Sammy already had his lunch, but I didn't. Huh, I can't eat this.
You was pranked. Ugh.
Really? Then I'll just throw it away?
No, don't do that. I'd rather turn it into a slime. La la la.
Gross! Take it back, Sammy.
Oh. Okay, let's keep crafting. I'll join you in a minute. Almost forgot this.
You don't have a minute, just 2 seconds. 1 and 2.
In that case, I'll help you first. Here comes the base coat of white paint. I need more paint. Ugh. No, Sue, I really need to finish that candy now.
Okay.
You're doing great. I think you can finish with that squishy all by yourself. I won't bother you with my assistance.
Sammy.
What? Where? Ugh, what is this? Whoopsie! Interesting. Let me see. Hey, this is absolutely not the way it was supposed to be. Huh?
Sammy, don't be grumpy. I'll fix everything now. Does this look good?
Yes, but it should look amazing. This is everything we need to decorate our cool cake with awesome stuff. You just need to follow my instructions, Susan. Here, study this, and you will succeed.
If you say so. Okay, let's see what we have here.
Let me check it out. Now it looks as it should. Here, take it, Candy. You really earned it.
Thank you, Sammy. What is this? Is it a nut or something?
Nuts are good for your health, huh? That candy was bad anyway. I'm telling you. The worst candy ever. Trust me.
Okay, maybe we can at least throw this old squishy away.
If you could, you would throw everything away, even really important stuff.
I wonder what really important stuff are you looking for in here? Although, I might be wrong sometimes too. Hey, this might work. Do you want a new hat?
Are you kidding me?
Alright, let's just keep going. Do you want to see some magic?
Ugh.
Here we go. This is a blank slate for our new squishy. Let's make it colorful.
Wow, it looks so cute. I love it. It's just awesome. I approve.
And you just gave me a great idea.
Take this flashlight and point at the glass when I say.
What is on your mind now?
Just point the light at this glass of water, and you will see a cool trick.
Alright. Wow!
Cool, right? I learned this trick during my long travels across Tibidabo. Now you all will know this trick and get yourself a rainbow. Yes!
A rainbow on a tummy to rub it and make a wish.
I knew you'd like it. Light and water create rainbow highlights. Ugh, I don't have much energy today. I'd better rest again.
In the meantime, we will check out all of our new squishes.
One more.
Huh, what is all this? Is there some ghost in our house or something? Sammy?
Sue, it hit me. I found so many pieces for our future crafts.
And I think I found the first one. Come back here.
What? What are you talking about?
I wonder what can I do from a slime? Paint it?
That's not what I meant. Let me go. Let me go now.
Oh, I have so many ideas about how to use a slime.
Give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, friends. We will see you around.